Discover our mobile gemstone laboratory, a complete, compact solution designed for reliable identification of diamonds and colored gemstones, whether in the field, at trade shows, or in your store. All without an external power source and housed in a rugged, travel-ready case. With the stereo microscope, you can examine gemstones using dark field illumination from below, and, with the Gooseneck light guide, also using incident light. In the horizontal position, you can perform analyses using transmitted light and in immersion fluid. The case also contains high-precision instruments such as a refractometer for determining the refractive index, a spectroscope for gemstone analysis based on the absorption spectrum, a polariscope for quickly identifying common gemstone imitations, a dichroscope for quickly detecting pleochroism, as well as a UV cabinet for examining the fluorescence in order to verify the gemstone's authenticity. This makes the Crust Gemstone Lab the ideal portable laboratory for examining gemstones in virtually any situation.